Hello and welcome to this module on on-page SEO optimization. At the end of this module, you would understand what on-page SEO optimization entails, and I'm also going to equip you with a Python script that you can use to audit the on-page SEO status of any website in a scalable way. So on-page SEO basically refers to that SEO that involves interventions on the page with the express purpose of improving the performance of that page for relevant keywords and search queries. Now, it is different from off-page SEO. Off-page SEO is the aspect of SEO that deals with the manipulation of elements that are outside of the page in order to improve the relevance of that page to search queries and keywords. So there are key on-page elements that the SEO specialist has to be able to audit or interact with in order to improve the rankings of a website or of a web page. And some of those elements are the metadata elements like the title tag, the meta description, the header tags, the image tags, the alt text tags, and the rest of them like that. Right? But in order to optimize all of these on-page elements, we have to begin with keyword research. And after keyword research, we now have to optimize the content that is embedded in these HTML tags on the page. Right? Then we also have to improve the URL structure. We can utilize the URL structure to improve the relevance of the page for search queries. And we can also use internal linking to improve the flow of what Google refers to as link equity or page rank to that page. So these are some of the key elements and key interventions that are associated with on-page SEO optimization. Now, but you cannot optimize if you've not yet audited, because the purpose of optimization is to move from the unideal to the ideal. And the purpose of the audit is to uncover that which is not ideal. So therefore, we have to understand how to audit the on-page SEO status of pages and websites. So there is a checklist and there are tools. So we can use tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, Moz, Search Console. We can manually review the HTML source code, and we can also build our own checklist, right? URL inspection checklists, the meta tag evaluation checklist, and a content analysis checklist. But I'm also going to introduce a Python script that you can use to save time, because the process of on-page SEO auditing is very time consuming and can even be very expensive when you consider the cost of all of these tools involved. So let's dive into the practicals.